Do you feel the vibes?
What's up guys, over here this is AWS Awesome Word Series with the easy tip and tricks. Today in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to make a YouTube banner, YouTube channel art. That is very simple. I found a way to make a professional looking channel art of your channel. Let me go ahead and in a Google search bar, guys, I need your attention properly, because if you can try to learn something, first you have to learn something about that. So I found a best website, that is Canva. Canva is the website which is a platform, so you can make your YouTube banners, like your video thumbnails, your ads, and much more stuff. So here is Canva. I already make account with the help of Google Plus. So we can go through. Give me one moment. Okay, as you can see, I'm already logged in. Same as you can log in, otherwise you can sign up with the another options. There is a multiple option to sign up. So I already signed up before, and I will try to make some kind of different and unique channel art. So make sure about it. We are here to make a YouTube channel art that is requires specific words and pixels. So let me go ahead, and as you can see the category, let me go ahead and choose the YouTube channel art. So now we are in a new website, and here you can see a different design in the you can say that I can see the design. As you can see right now, there is a multiple design which is let me go ahead and choose any one from them, and probably I'm not gonna ask you have to pay something for them. As you can see, I'm making these templates already, but I'm not gonna go with them because you already see the templates, how it's so simple. So we can choose the templates, the channel art. It's depend on your channel. Suppose if you have a gaming channel, you can choose that templates, anything that you like. If you are making a channel for you can say that you have a grocery store, so there is a different requirement. But I will go with the games. It's as you can see right now, it's a game for Lite. They are only specify just give me one moment. As you can see, we can add it direct, something you can read in, anything you can note it down, games channel, anything. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Games, yeah, channels, game channels, games tester. Yeah. So after that, you can choose you can delete as well. If you don't like to go with this headline, with this paragraph, you can delete them. Delete. I'm so sorry about that. Oh, here is the thing is, just give me. We're not gonna go with the group, but we can delete. As you can see, you can delete something. But let me go ahead and back. Okay. So that is the way. I'm normally not going to giving you the full tutorials how to make. Okay, let me go ahead and for only your satisfaction, let me go ahead and make a great templates. As you can see, my channel name is AWS, which is simply offering you a simple tips and tricks like that. And normally people who is going to make make a mind to start making money online, so they know about it, how to add it, how to change the stuff. But I will only giving you the hint, the way how to start, how to make a YouTube channel art, YouTube banner. So suppose my channel name is AWS, and I don't like the font. So you can see the option, right? You can change the font in anywhere, any of your if you like that font, you can press then, and the font is totally different. But I I use this font, and I like that. And after that, when you can satisfy with the font, and after that I want to put a little bit information, a little bit headline. So there is a three option for you. I just go with the third options. Like after that, let me go ahead and add it. Like it's a simple tips and tricks. Okay, it's gonna be tricks. Okay, after that I will manage, yeah, in a center, like with this simple oh no, which is tips and tricks, like that is better. I'll just go with the here is a little bit spelling mistakes going on. I think that was better. So and then after that, when you are satisfied, you are make everything, like I will not, this is not for the beginners but only for those people who are just started YouTube channel, and I will go ahead and give you more information about intro, how you can, like how to make a YouTube intro for your YouTube channel, and that will be make more awesome your video and content. So as you can see right now, I already make that, and after that you have to press in a download button. Like when you are satisfied, you are editing everything. Let me give you, before to download, let me give you, you can change the background as well. Let me go ahead and do that. Just give me one moment. Okay, just give me one moment. As you can see, like you have option. I don't want to change the background. If you want to, so you can go ahead. And there is like icons, you can choose icons as well. Like suppose like you can choose the icons like this, like that, like the idea. Let me go ahead and resize this. It's only up to you, because you are going to use your mind. That is great. Like I think that is awesome. And you can do anything, like any of your icon which you are like to put in your channel art, you can add in there, and you can see right now. So you are good to go. And then after that, when you are satisfied with your channel art, you can go ahead and download. Press the button download. It's going to be downloaded in your system. After that, you can come into your channel, press, as you can see, the edit button, go to edit channel art and upload it. So this is a tutorial, like guys, I'm sharing with you. Definitely I'm not giving you the full tutorials right now at the moment, because you know that like you are educated persons, you guys are understand. Like I already giving you the method, like the way, the Canva websites. This is a great way. After that, when you come in a Canva websites, you can, suppose you are a new person and you're not making your gallery, you can create a design, press the create a design. As you can see, the first option, which is YouTube channel art, press on the YouTube channel art, choose any of the templates which you can see in the left side. So whatever the channels, after editing, like edit your names, edit the icons, whatever you want, you can do here. There is no, they're not gonna charge any single penny. Make sure you can go with the free templates. So if you go with the anyone, like as you can see right now, this one I have to pay something at the $sign. You can see if any templates, so that means you have to pay those person, like you have to pay to the admin who is uploaded uploaded the template in a website. So now the tutorial is going to be end, and time to subscribe if you like my video. So do not forget to subscribe. Please share, put a comment if you know about it. Like if you like to something ask with me, I will be more than happy to assisting you about that. But you should have to ask me in the comment sections. So soon as possible I will give you a reply about that. Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate that you are giving me your time and watching my video. Have a great day. Bye bye.